Hello. I can't see myself. Is it going?
It's going.
Oh, okay. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining in to our living room concert. My brain's just stopping. Let's get started. I hope you guys have a nice concert. If you want to donate, there's a Tiki link in the comments, and you can ask my PayPal at the end if you want.
There is a request already.
Yeah. So Stefan, we will do your one in 1 second. So weary, troubles come, and my heart burdened, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit over with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up 'Cause you raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than Yes, so Stefan, we're gonna do your request. Estado decadente. I'm looking at Andre to see if he wants to sing. He's saying no. I'm working on a version with Andre to release like legit on YouTube, and we've been working on it, but you won't hear that today. You'll hear that at another time. Así como cada noche estoy recordando el vacío en este apartamento me está desesperando y yo sigo bebiendo, tu recuerdo me abraza, pasa tiempo pero tú no pasas. ¿Cómo hago para cambiar el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero traigo en no verte matar. No estado decadente quieto. La tristeza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça e saudade mata, e assim muero de amor. Se vai mais uma noite que tô virando no vacío desse apartamento e estou quase pirando. Me bate o desespero, empilhando garrafas. Passa o tempo, só você não passa. Como hago para cambiar meu coração? La tristeza decora nuestra casa y así que nadie se muere de amor, pero trago y no verte mata, no estado decadente quieto. La tristeza decora esa casa y yo sé que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça, saudade mata. Como hago para cambiar el corazón? La tristeza decora nuestra casa. Yo sé que nadie se muere de amor, pero trago y no verte mata. No está tristezza decora essa casa. Eu sei que ninguém morre de amor, mas cachaça é saudade mata. E assim eu muero de amor. Y así muero de amor. Good request, Stefan. Dank je wel. Hi Inge, leuk dat je er bent. Let's have a look. Helene asked me to sing this earlier, so let's give it a go. Thank you, Helene. Very good request. Shubo asked for All of Me by John Legend. What would I do without just my mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, knocking, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your words and all your ends, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me. You give me all of you. How many times do I gotta tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. What is beating you down, I'm around through every turn. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, but chatter and blues. I can't sing it, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me longs all of you. Love your words and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause you give me all of you. I give you all of me. Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your words and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. Even when I lose, I win. Even when I lose, I win. 'Cause red rose that's newly sprung in June. My love is like a melody that sweetly played in June. As fair art thou, my body lies, so deep in love I will love you still, my dear. Oh, the seas run dry till the seas can dry, my dear. Till all the seas can dry, love thee still, my dear. Till all the seas can not 10,000 miles, my love. Not 10,000 miles. I love thee still, my dear. Not 10,000 my love is like red, red rose. No, 10,000 miles, my love. No, 10,000 love that song. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Hello Vicky. Good that you're there. Good that you're so close. Shame you can't join us. Victoria en ik lopen. Hans, dankjewel man. Wat leuk. Vicky, I just did L'amour de moi at the beginning of the song. At the beginning of the video. I'll do that. I'll give you a private concert sometime so you can hear it again. Mom, you're very welcome. Obviously. Thanks, Ricardo. Anna, you haven't missed your request. In fact, I will do it right now. So, me and Anna know each other through the brass band world in Cornwall. And we sang a lot of stuff together over the years in band practice and waiting for, various things. So here we are, empty chairs at empty tables, which I haven't sung probably since the last time that we were together. As a pain goes on and on, empty chairs at empty tables. Now my friends are dead and gone. Here they talked of revolution. Here it was they lit the flag. Here they sang about tomorrow, and tomorrow never came. At the table in the corner, they could see a world reborn, and they rose with voices ringing, and I can hear. Oh, that's not the right one. That's the right modulation. And I can hear them now, the very words they had to say became their last communion on the lonely barricade. Oh, my friends, forgive me that I live and you are gone. Empty chairs at empty tables, and the pain goes on and on. Oh, my friends, don't ask me what your sacrifice was for. Empty chairs at empty tables, where my friends will sing no more. Now something a little bit more upbeat. Oh, I thought I had the text already preloaded. Bear with. Time for a Dutch song. Woo! Hidde is happy, Hidde is blij mee. Let's see how this one goes. Problem is, now with the sort of the essential quarantine, I can't particularly practice. So this is all relatively improvised, and I haven't had any time to practice any of the songs, even the ones that I thought, I really want to do this. No chance. So that's why occasionally we're going to have wrong chords and wrong modulations, especially in modulations. There's going to be a few wrong ones of those, but adds to the fun of it. This is one that Mariska asked for last week and I forgot. So, alsjeblieft Mariska. er dan met jou te gaat wat zien. Er zijn mensen die haar warm aan de eeuwig heren. Maar we hebben geen geld in onze koude handen. Dus we gaan maar naar je ouders. In zoute landen. In zoute landen. En dan zitten we hier in het oude strandhuis. Wat je vertelt dat we nuchter waren. Boven mijn hoofd zie ik de grijze wolken. En ik ben blij dat je hier bent. Blij dat je hier bent. Wij zitten hier in het oude strandhuis. Maakten we toch altijd uit van de vader. We verzetten onszelf in het hand van je vader. Ik ben blij dat je hier bent. Blij dat je hier bent. Het is mooier dan met jou, het land doorkruisen, met troostige plekken, je bij me te hebben. En te zien dat het goed is, zien dat we prijzen, met wat jij met bakking, tussen reddingsbanden. En dan zitten we hier in het oude strandhuis. Wat je vertelt dat we nuchter waren. Boven mijn hoofd zie ik de grijze wolken. Ik ben blij dat je hier bent, blij dat je hier bent. Wij zitten hier in het oude strandhuis. Maakt het toch eigenlijk uit van de vader. We zetten onszelf in het hok van je vader. Ik ben blij dat je daar bent, blij dat je hier bent. Dan zitten we hier in het oude strandhuis. Wat je vertelt dat we nuchter waren. Boven mijn hoofd zie ik de grijze wolken. Ik ben blij dat je hier bent, blij dat je hier bent. Wij zitten hier in het oude strandhuis. Maakten we toch altijd uit van de vader. We verzetten onszelf in de tand van je vader. Ik ben blij dat je hier bent, blij dat je hier bent. Zoute landen, zoute landen. Zoute landen. Behalve dat mijn vader geen alcohol drinkt, is die wel een goede nummer. Hey Sue, welcome, bonjour. And Ricardo knows you as well. Okay, Sue, since you're here, if you're here, then I haven't been able to practice this one either at all, so this is going to be very interesting. I've sung this super long ago. Just look for the text. Super long ago. So this is going to be interesting. And Sue said that he wanted a slow version of it. So here we go. Una mattina mi sono alzato, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invaso. Partigiano, portami via. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Se io muoio da partigiano, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 e se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire. Esa las montañas son la una mattina mi sono alzato, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. So I sing in a lot of different languages, which you all know, and I really like singing in Dutch as well since I live here. And there's this really fantastic translator, Ans Bouter. I hope that she's watching right now. What's up?
Vicky says, hi, Hidde, we can see you in the reflection. So I'm checking it out.
Hello. So that's good. Hit is here somewhere. I don't know where. We're maintaining legitimate social distance meters. Don't worry. So there's this amazing author and translator, Ans Bouter, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous songs. So I'm going to do two of those songs now. So two Dutch songs coming up, but one of them for sure you'll all know because it's a gorgeous translation. Het is nog hoop, het is nog laat. We zijn nog altijd aan het praten, zijn bij de onderkant, aan de einde kan. We zijn nog liever eerder waar. De waarheid heeft de lucht doen klaar. Ik zie de sterren weer, begrijpen ze dit keer. Is er voordat we samen willen zijn. Goeie reden, ook al voelen we de pijn. Oh, liefste laat mijn werkende hart aan liefde geven. Ik hou een leven lang van jou, oh liefste laat. duizend winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Kom en vergeet het. Er is nog hoop, er is nog later. Het evenwicht is delicater en een lieve kus betoverd. Zoals altijd is het, voordat we samen willen zijn. Goeie reden, ook al voelen we erbij. Oh, liefste, laat mijn hunkerende hart jouw liefde geven. Ik hou het leven lang van jou, oh liefste, laat me bij jou zijn. Duizend winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Om het hemel, liefste laat, als je 's morgens vroeg nog slaat, me naar je licht kijken. Nooit alleen meer zijn bestaat, alsof we vier vlammen oh, liefste laat mijn hunkerende hart jouw liefde geven. Ik hou het leven lang van jou, oh liefde, laat me bij jou zijn. Duizend winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Kom erin, vergeet. Maak de wind je lieve lippen schaal. Vraagt de wereld jouw klare taal. Ik trakteer je op een warm taal. Zo voel je wat ik en in de schaduw van de duisternis, wanneer er niemand in je buurt meer is, smeet ik onze zielsverbintenis. Eens voel je wat ik weet dat jij nog aan het twijfelen bent. Ik heb het beste met je voor. Ik weet het sinds de dag dat jij me kent. Ik twijfel niet of jij bij me hoort. Ik verdraag ellende, honger, kou. Kruip me knielend nog een weg naar jou. Ik weerhoud Nou, Hans, heel erg bedankt voor voor de vertaling. En ik vind het echt een prachtige vertaling van allebei de nummers. Hidden is almost hidden. Commentaar van Hans van Lent. Wel leuk, man. Inge, dankjewel, Inge.
Almost.
Okay, if JB is listening, then I have a special song for him. I just need to get the lyrics. There's actually 2 songs of him for him. So there's one. Okay, now, so JB, I know things are possibly not the best. So here's 2 songs which will hopefully alleviate some of that. Just need to try and think of what we could do it in. This is another thing with this piano, the E and the C sticks down. The C is a bit better than it was. The E is just completely. Look, Mom, no hands. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, genoeg gelachen. Okay, I'm just gonna go. If there's a random modulation, then sorry in advance. day is gone, I'm still holding on. How could this be? You're not here with me. You never said goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go? Leave my world so cold. Every day I sit and ask myself, how did I slip away? Something whispers in my ear and says, but you are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. But you are not alone. I am here with you. Though we're far apart, always in my heart. You are not alone. Just the other night, I thought I heard you cry, asking me to come and hold you in my arms. I could hear your breath, burden on the bed. First I need your hand, and forever can begin. Every day I sit and ask myself, how did love slip away? Something whispers in my ear and says that you are not alone. I'm here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. But you are not alone. I am here with you. How could this be? Always in my heart. You are not alone. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away, I am here to stay. But you are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away, always in my heart. You and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. I'll reach out my hand there. I'll be there to comfort you, build a world of dreams around you, glad that I found you. I'll be there with a love that's strong, I'll be your strength, I'll keep holding on. Let me fill your heart with joy and laughter. Togetherness is all I'm after. Whenever you need me, I'll be there to protect you with unselfish love that respects you. Just call my name, I'll be there. Oh, don't you know that I'll be there? I'll be there. Just call my name, I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. Just call my name. I'll be there. See how. Hi everybody, thanks for joining the living room concert. At the top of the chat, there is a link. There should be a link. If it's not, I will put it again. Of a Tikkie, so people watching in the Netherlands can donate. And if anybody wants to donate and isn't living in the Netherlands, then get in touch and you can make a PayPal donation. Hopefully you guys can hear it all okay from wherever you're listening to. Just have a check. Tom Jones, Bob Marley song, Little Free Birds. I don't know that one. Do you guys have a different request? Pete Jackson, some Dire Straits for the old man. I hope you're still watching, Pete. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm trying to think. It's been so like this is like my dad's favorite band, and I always used to sit and play it at the piano. But that was 10 years back. 45 years ago. Yeah, I just look good for my age. So I'm just trying to think. Oh, of course, it has to be. Hold on, Dad, text me. What's your favorite one? I forgot the name of it.
Sultans of Swing.
Sultans and Sings, Romeo and Juliet. No, I don't know that one. Dad, what's your favorite one apart from Romeo and Juliet? Brothers in Arms. Thanks, Beth. Okay, Brothers in Arms. Very, ja, passend. Hoe zeg je dat in het Engels?
Fitting.
Very fitting now that I've just become Dutch.
Apt.
Very apt. that I've just become Dutch, and it says about my home being the lowlands. Definitely the wrong key, way too low. Sorry, just ruined all the atmosphere. Hold on. Okay, G flat. Yeah, okay, good. A flat, A flat. Let's try A flat. This is a better pitch. Better pitch for my voice. So, no. Dude, this is wrong modulation. Okay. That's it, right? E major, E major. These mist-covered mountains are a home now for me. My home is lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you'll no longer yearn to be brothers in arms. Through these fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, I've witnessed your suffering as the battle raged on. Though they did hurt me so bad, in the fear and the love, you did not deserve me, my brothers in There are so many different worlds, so many different times. We have just one world, but we live in different ones.
riding high. Let me bid you farewell. Every man has to die, but it's written in the stars, and every line in your heart. We are forced to make war on our brothers in the things they say. Baby, I'll wipe away those precious tears. That turn those blue skies into fields. And all the rest is by the by. Why worry? There should be sunshine after rain. There should be laughter after pain. These things have always been the same. So why worry now? Why worry now? Baby, when I get down, I turn to you. And you make sense of what I do. And all the rest is by and by. Baby, I'll wipe away those precious tears. I'll chase away those restless fears that turn the blue skies into gray. Why worry? There should be sunshine after rain. There should be laughter after pain. These things have always been the same. So why worry now? Why worry now? Why worry now? Be completely, or I'll never fall in a restless world like this is. Love is ended before it's begun. And so many moonlit kisses seem to melt in the warmth of the sun. When I give my heart, it will be completely. Or I'll never give my all. And the moment that you feel like you feel that way too, that's when I fall in love with you.
Thank you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Woo, that was really klassieke effe there.
Doe eens een vrolijk liedje. Of zo.
Doe ik niet graag, maar heb ik wel eentje hier. Jij kent het ook wel.
Mijn ogen liggen niet, ik lees aan jouw gezicht af, dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in je glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Je bent mooi als ik je zie, ik zie je schuilen als het zon is op de meer. De mooiste ben je lieve, heb je dat niet door? Dan zeg ik het graag, daar ben ik toen voor. Ik ben er vandaag en morgen, overmorgen. Ik ben er altijd, ik ben er al blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Ook als een nacht slechts wel, liever dan schijn je zelfs weer. Morgen als je wakker wordt, dan zeg ik het weer. Dat jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Neem mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal me uit mijn schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Ja, jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi, jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Zelfs mooi als je me houdt. Maar dat doe je nooit. That is a really beautiful song. You guys should check out. Ja, je moet echt. Het is door een artiest die Wudstik heet. Wudstik. Echt super mooi nummers. Echt prachtig. Dus ga eens opzoeken op de Spotify en YouTube hierna. Als jullie nog.
Hoe heet het liedje eigenlijk?
Ja, dat nummer heet Mooi.
Oh,
Ja, toevallig, hè?
dat is een gekke naam.
Had je, ja.
Mooi.
Okay, guys, if you have any other requests, let me know.
How do you feel about Benjamin's beautiful shirt? Isn't it beautiful in green and beautiful?
Thank you. It's new today, especially for the concert.
Oh,
Is it green?
It's dark green, yes.
oh, okay.
Olive green.
Olive green.
Olive.
Beautiful description.
Forest.
Yeah.
Depends on the old.
Moss green. Yeah.
Moss green. Schimmelgroen.
Jaloezie groen.
Apparently, I can only make jokes now in Dutch. Guys, let me know if there's any other songs you want me to sing. Otherwise, I'm just gonna do some of the ones that are on my list.
Bridge over troubled water.
Oh, yeah. I'll do that after this one.
Als Helene nog kijkt. Versus.
This is a really beautiful Welsh song. So, yeah, enjoy. I'm gonna hope I kind of get somewhere near the pronunciation. Hold on. Okay. Ich auf dem Haus könnte, oder
That was probably a very Cornish way of pronouncing all of that Welsh. I hope that was somewhat resembled it. And that one of the two Welsh speakers who are watching are still watching. Ricardo, dude, are you still here?
Bridge over troubled water.
Yes. Ricardo, if you're still here, write in the chat and I'll do your request.
when you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough, troubled water. I will let you be like a bridge over troubled water. I will let you be sail on silver gold, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. If you need a friend, I'm sad right behind like a bridge over troubled water. I'm release your mind like a bridge over troubled water. I release your
There's another request, I hope. Beth, text me what your request is. Okay. Hey, Ricardo. What key? Yeah, okay.
Bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después. Bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después. Quiero sentirte muy cerca, mirarme en los ojos, verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera la noche la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después.
Ah, fuck, okay, was it? Okay, this was meant to be a smooth. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera, se me fuera la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo perderte después. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera la última noche. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después. Quiero sentirte muy cerca en tus ojos, verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. Bésame mucho, como si fuera la noche la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte. Perderte Thanks for watching, Anna. Helene. Zo leuk, dankjewel. Ja. Thanks, Ricardo. I hope you liked it. That was super good request. Die was echt een super leuk. Okay.
The pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses fall. 'Tis you must go and I must cry. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow? Oh, when the valleys hush and white with snow, it's in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. But when he comes And all my grave shall honor sweeter for you shall bend and tell me that you love me. And I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. There were 3 musical references in that. If you get and all 3 of them, I don't know, you get, I'll buy you sweets or something. Thank you, Harry. John Barnett, I'm so glad to hear it. Thanks for your message. Hola Julia, oye, si tienes una canción en español, que me lo digas. Si no, haré el Recuérdame de Disney, que siempre cantamos.
No.
Just texting people to make sure they're online before I do their request. Bedankt Inge, leuk dat je er was. Ja, ik ga gewoon nog een tijdje door eigenlijk. Ik speel nog een paar nummers. Dus we gaan even over tijd. Ik begin nu, I'm gonna start with a Filipino song. Yeah, which I also learned when I was like 13, so I hope I still remember it. Hey, good that you're here. I hope you enjoy it. And I'm sorry if I mess it up. So well, the day that you came into my life, you asked for my smile, you had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side, makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. Took all the worries and
every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? And there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took away worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how I love you. Thanks. Very nice. Hearing the wine. Poured. Okay, you
Next
guys.
time I'll do it next to the mic.
You guys. Yeah, it'll be good. Next. Upon what is as lemon or sleep the legend are rid of it wasn't and rose and wind are where my day can be. And rose and wind are summer printing. As red I go you're fair as the spring of a dark day. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Only the white rose you are. I love the white rose. surrender time with your presence. White rose mine to keep. I love the white rose and its splendor. I love the white rose and its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's a rose that reminds me of you. Yeah, garden, rose and wind are where my nectar be free. And rose and wind smile, marvelous. One last song. I hope you guys have enjoyed the concert tonight. Thank you everybody for watching. In the chat at the top, there's a tikkie for any Dutch people or people living in the Netherlands who want to give some money. And there is, get in touch if you're from outside the Netherlands and you want to help, because then you can do a payment via PayPal. That's harder to say than I thought it would be. And for now, one final song to say goodbye with. And I think most of you will know this from Disney. So sing along if you recognize it. First verse in Spanish, second verse in English. Recuérdame, hoy me tengo que ir, mi amor, recuérdame. No llores, por favor, te llevo en mi corazón, cerca me tendrás, a solas yo te cantando en regresar. Recuérdame, aunque tenga que emigrar. Recuérdame, si mi piano ya está borrado, ella con su triste canto te acompañará. Hasta que en mis brazos estés. Even though I say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me. Don't have to travel far. Remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I know how. Until you're in my arms again. Good night, everybody. Have a lovely evening. Have a good weekend. And thank you for watching. Ciao.